Reading challenge cards. Emerald 5. Do you like to? Yes, I do. So. No, I don't. Do you like to do karate? So. Do you like to play soccer? Yes, I do. Do you like to play golf? No, I don't. Do you like to play American football? Yes, I do. Do you like to play baseball? No, I don't. Do you like to go skating? Yes, I do. Do you like to box? So. Do you like to play basketball? No, I don't. Do you like to lift weights? Yes, I do. Do you like to go surfing? Yes, I do. Very good.